How's it going, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Jeff Benjamin with 9to5Mac. We have the iPhone 11 Pro smart battery case in the building, complete with the brand new camera shortcut button in tow. Check it out. Thanks for watching 9to5Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so here we go, folks. The iPhone 11 Pro smart battery case in pink sand color. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Just pull the little tab. There we go. And now we reveal the smart battery case nestled inside. I know, that's a little dramatic, but you get the point. This smart battery case for iPhone 11 Pro is here. And like I said at the outset, it comes with a brand new feature. We're going to explore that all in just a second. But first and foremost, let's get the Designed by Apple in California packet open. And inside, you'll find a little tiny smart battery case getting started guide / instruction manual. And yes, indeed, it talks about that new camera shortcut inside as well. Now, you also have regulatory information, warranty information, boring stuff like that. And you also have this little guy right here, which tells you basically how to put your phone inside the smart battery case. Now, just like every other smart battery case, you have that microfiber material inside. You also have an LED indicator that tells you current charging status. And then below that, you of course have your lightning connection that plugs into your iPhone, and of course you have the rectangular camera cutout for the iPhone 11 lineup. So on the bottom of the device you have a lightning port, and you also have your microphone and speaker cutouts. Now on the sides you will find tactile volume buttons and a tactile side button. These are clicky, and you also get a new concave camera shortcut button. This right here is the star of the show, folks, because it's brand new. This has never appeared on a smart battery case before. We'll talk about that in a second. Now, you also have, of course, the battery itself, which gives it that humpback, polarizing design. I personally like it. I think it's comfortable to hold. I think it does look a little odd, but the design allows Apple to pack in that 1400 milliamp hour battery. You also have the elastomer hinge, which allows you to easily put your iPhone in there. And like its predecessor, this device is compatible with USB power delivery fast charging. So if you have a Lightning to USB-C cable and you connect to a compatible USB-C power adapter, you can charge faster than you normally would with just a normal Lightning connection. So the amber LED indicator tells you that the device is still charging. Once it's fully charged, it'll turn green, and eventually it'll go off when it stops charging. It also is compatible with wireless chargers as well. So I have my Mophie charger to sit it right there on top, and it commences charging. And as you can see, you don't need your iPhone inside the smart battery case to recharge the battery. So that is super nice. So this smart battery case will add about 50% more battery life to your iPhone, which is going to be great if you're traveling and you want to make sure your iPhone doesn't die while you're traveling. This is the perfect device to have. Now just slide the iPhone 11 Pro inside the case. There we go. Fits like a glove. And there you go. Instantly 50% more power available on tap. Now, here's the really cool thing. You press and hold that camera button shortcut for about a second, and it launches the camera app. And then you can press and hold to capture a quick take video, or you can just click to capture a photo. Of course, it works with selfies as well. It will also work in all the other camera modes as well. When you switch to those, you can start and stop recording, for instance, when you're in video mode. Now, some people will complain about the look of the smart battery case, and it's long been a complaint of people that it just looks weird, right? I personally don't think it looks all that weird. I actually kind of like it. I think it's well balanced. It has really nice clicky tactile buttons, and the little camel hump battery pack kind of gives it a nice feel in hand, in my opinion. But maybe I'm just weird like that. But I will say I really appreciate the iOS integration with the notification center battery widget, and on the lock screen as well, telling you the current status of your smart battery case. Super handy. And the nice thing about this device is that there is no power switch. There's no micromanaging on the user end. When should I turn on the battery? When should I turn it off? iOS handles it all. And the presence of that new camera shortcut button ups the smarts of the smart battery case. So it doesn't matter if your phone's locked or unlocked. It'll allow you to launch the camera app by pressing and holding that camera button shortcut, just like this. So if you're in an app and you quickly see a photo that you want to take, the smart battery case is actually probably one of the quickest ways to get to the camera app to snag that photo before it's too late. Honestly, it's not for everyone. Obviously, the design itself is very polarizing. And truth be told, especially with the latest batch of iPhones, not everyone needs extra battery life. But if you travel and you find yourself running out of battery from time to time and you just don't want to worry about micromanaging your iPhone's battery case, then the $130 smart battery case for the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max might be a good option for you. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. This is Jeff with 9to5Mac.